Hello guys, today we are going to discuss on what are data types. The data types specify how we enter a data into our programs and what type of data that we are going to use in our program. For example, we may be using positive numbers in our program or negative number, floating numbers or alphabets like capital letter and small letters. Even we may be using words in our programs. These all are words, it's not a characters. So we may be using different types of operation or data types in our program what the customer or the user required. So data type is an important phenomena that you have to learn before you are doing a program. Whenever a variable is defined in our program, the compiler will allocate some memory for that variable based on the data type with which it is declared. You can observe in every programs, whenever there is a variable, then there will be a declaration with data types in front of it. For example, here the variable a, b, c and the array has initialized along with the data types. If you want to know more about the variable and its data type and its types, I recommend you guys to watch my previous video where I have discussed briefly about what is variable, what are its rules and what are the types, what are the scope, everything I have discussed very briefly in that video. C language supports three different types of data types: primitive or fundamental data types, derived data types, and the user-defined data types. Now we will discuss the three different types of data types. First one, the fundamental data types. These data types are built-in or predefined data types and can be used directly by the user to declare the variable. For example, int, float, double, char, void and boolean. These are the data types that comes under fundamental data type. Next one, derived data types. These data types are derived from the primitive or fundamental data types. With the help of fundamental data types, these data types are derived. For example, functions, pointers, array, reference, these all are derived with the help of fundamental data types. Next one, user-defined data types. These are the data types that the user have been created. It is not dependent on fundamental or the derived data types. These are created by user itself. For example, structure, union, enum or enumeration and typedef. These are created by the users. The important note that you have to keep in your mind while using the data types are, every data types will perform different types of operation. For example, int data type can perform bitwise operation and the arithmetic operation fast, but it cannot store the floating values in it. This is the characteristics of integer, int data types. Whereas floating data types, it can store the floating values, but it cannot perform any bitwise operation in it. And the arithmetic operation is slow when compared to int data types. Similarly, the arithmetic operation that you perform in each data types will be resulting the different result when you compare with char data type. In char data types, it is based on ASCII table. So whatever you are performing arithmetic or any operation, if you are performing, it will be based on that result you will be getting as the output. So you have to decide what type of data that you have to use in your program before declaring any variable. In the upcoming classes, I'll be giving the detailed description of what are fundamental data types, derived data types, and the user data types and its types. In briefly, I'll be explaining each and every one.